Here's an update from the KSHB 41 Weather Center. All right, before we take a look at the week ahead with some nice weather and a storm, what about after the snow last week? Where do we stand for the season? 21.9 inches, and average so far for this date is 17. Average for the whole season, 18.6. Yes, we're nearing the end of the snow season. I don't think we're done with the chances of snow this month, so we'll have to watch it. It's been known to snow here in April and May. I don't think it's going to this year, but always got to watch it. We have a very interesting weather pattern in place, so we'll keep an eye on it. So the snow occurred on November 30th, 1.1 inches. We had the blizzard in January, making it the 8th snowiest January on record, 6 inches in February, and then we had 1.4 officially last week with the blizzard as well. There's no minimum snowfall requirement for a blizzard, just low visibility, quarter mile or less, and it was quite a mess there. And look at those 60, 70 mile per hour winds. Now, some good news. Hopefully you sprung forward last night, took a look at those smoke alarm batteries. We have now 11 hours and 41 minutes of daylight. Sunrise, 7:39. Sunset, 7:20. First day of spring is only in 11 days. Sunset's at 7:30. And we have over 12 hours of daylight. First day of summer, longest daylight of the year, almost 15 hours of daylight. The sun rises at 5:52 and it sets at 8:47. All right. What is going on with this weather pattern? Let's take a look at the upper level flow. The polar vortex is parked up there in northeast Canada where it belongs, but still may send a few shots of cold air this way, but they won't last that long. It is March. Now, there's a small system that gave us some high clouds yesterday moving away from the southern United States. There it goes out in the Atlantic. Another small system due in on Wednesday. Probably just some high clouds here. Maybe some showers and thunderstorms south of I-44. But then a bigger storm. And this one is pretty strong. The upper level low is going to be in Nebraska and in northern Kansas. We're going to be on the southeast side of it, the warmer side of it. So that means a chance of thunderstorms that could be severe. Last week, that upper level low was in southern Missouri. We were on the cold side of it. So yes, we're going to keep an eye on this one. But between now and then, some great weather. 63 degrees today, light west-southwest breeze, a great day, at least for me, to go out and pick up all the little branches and some bigger branches that came down the other day with those 60 to 70 mile per hour wind gusts. Then tomorrow, it'll get windy, but 15 to 25, maybe a gust of 30, 76 degrees. Now, there is a cold front up there in the northern plains, only 19 or 20 in Winnipeg, but the front is going to lose its punch. As you can see, by Tuesday, already a south wind up there. The front will come through here, but in a weakened state on Tuesday, 64 degrees. It'll stall down to the south, hardly a cloud with it, just a few high clouds. But then that system and that front will link up on Wednesday and bring some showers and thunderstorms down to our south, maybe into southern Missouri, but mostly Arkansas, Oklahoma, and into Texas. And then it falls apart in the southeast. Here comes the bigger storm. The surface pressure, similar to last week, near a Category 2 hurricane pressure. The reason why we don't have 100-mile-an-hour winds because the friction of the land slows it down. And it's still going to be very windy regardless of thunderstorms. The question is, where will they form? On this data, by Friday evening, they form just to our northeast and then race into Iowa and eastern Missouri. That's where the severe weather would be. But some data has it forming farther west. We'll just have to watch it very, very closely. It depends when the thunderstorms and the front meet up with the Gulf moisture, so we'll just have to watch that closely. The blizzard northwest of the low, there in the western part of Nebraska and in the Dakotas, and then on Saturday it lifts off to the north. The storm reorganizes, more severe weather from Louisiana all the way up possibly to Michigan, and the blizzard takes off into Canada. So for today, though, let's enjoy the great weather. 60 to 65, abundant sunshine, and warmer tonight, a 90% illuminated moon, the low around 35. And then tomorrow we add 40 to that, around 75 degrees, southwest winds 15 to 25 miles per hour. And as we take a look at the super 10-day forecast, great weather through Thursday. We rebound back to 69 Wednesday, 75 Thursday. There's that bigger storm Friday into Saturday. Could be kind of windy and cold for the soccer games there on Saturday. St. Patrick's Day right now looks good, but there could be another storm soon thereafter. So we'll have to watch that. Have a great week ahead. Stay healthy.